Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you're watching Corpbiz. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of tea board licenses in India. The central government of India has given the go-ahead for the tea industry in the country. India is the origin of world's greatest tea types because of its favorable geographic location and its inventive and forward-thinking business practices. However, India is regarded as the world's second largest producer of tea. The Tea Act of 1953 was enacted by the Indian government to control the tea industry. The tea board aims to promote and facilitate tea production, sales and processing in India. The board engages in a variety of activities including fair, exhibitions, organization and trading between exporters and importers. The several types of Indian tea board licenses will be covered in this video. First is TWaste license. To ensure that tea is not wasted and not misused, the TWaste license is granted. Getting rid of garbage is what is meant be done carefully and scientifically. Tea trash can be disposed of in a variety of ways: selling, separating the bioactive chemical components, producing caffeine or creating tea are few of them. The documents required for TWaste license are: application in Form A is to be filled including the date and seal of the appropriate authorized person, applicable fee payment, warehouse license copy, manufacturing plant registration certificate, any other document if demanded by the tea board. Broker license for tea auction. Brokers having a valid license issued by the board can only conduct the tea auction. However, no person is allowed to conduct the tea auction by getting themselves registered. The following are the documents required for broker license for tea auction. Application in Form G is to be filled including the date and seal of appropriate authorized person, a copy of Memorandum and Article of Association of the company and Certificate of Incorporation. Applicable fee payment has to be made and any other document if asked by the tea board depending on the various cases. Third is warehouse license. Without a license, warehouse owner are not allowed to continue blending, packaging or storing a tea. Warehouse license to store tea and tea related item is one of the second most important types of tea board licenses. However, if the warehouse is situated inside the port property held by the port trust, no license is necessary. Application in Form A is to be filled including the date and seal of the appropriate person. An applicable fees payment has to be made, registered lease deed or receipt of rent, ownership detail of the warehouse, warehouse map, trade license are some of the documents required for warehouse license. Distributor license. The tea board issues the distribution license to the entity involved in the distribution of goods. The licensee must provide data of importation as required by the tea boards either online or offline every month. The following are the documents required. Application in Form A is to be filled including the date and seal of the appropriate authorized person, a copy of import-export code, certificate issued by DGFT, complete details regarding name, residential address and email. The ID of the authorized person is attested in the company letterhead along with the company address proof. The written declaration has to be submitted by the applicant declaring that no license of the tea board is cancelled, suspended or revoked in the previous associations. These were some of the licenses and the documents required to get them. Tea board can also ask for few more documents depending on the individual application. After watching this video, it is clear that tea board has extensive authority to grant various licenses. For greater comprehension and awareness, the several types of tea board licenses issued by the tea board are covered in detail. For more information regarding tea licenses, you can get in touch with our expert team, and for more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. Thank you.